Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add languages on your language settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now here we'll find content languages. Click on it. Here as you see you will find add languages, just click on it here, and here you can choose any language you want and click add, and that's it. That's how to add languages on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.